Hey, what's going on everyone? I'm Brad, and today on TrailRecon, we are gonna watch a very nice Toyota Tacoma go out on the beach and get stuck on purpose just so we can show you how to use the Deadman anchor system. During my amazing trip to Baja California, one of the guys in our group was Daniel, who is the co-founder of Deadman Off-Road. While we were there spending a couple days on the beach in Punta Final, he gave us a demo of how to recover yourself when you are stuck in the sand with no trees or rocks around to attach a winch. So Daniel did what he does so often when demoing the Deadman. He got his very nice Tacoma stuck on the beach on purpose. And this is actually a scenario that happens quite often when guys are out playing on the beach and having fun and finding themselves stuck. Getting unstuck can be a real challenge if there isn't another vehicle around to help you out. And if you're dealing with rising tides, man, it can make things even more difficult to get free and really do some damage to your rig.
So what now?
Dude, Deadman.
The Deadman Earth Anchor is a great lightweight solution that provides a winching anchor point if you are stuck by placing it in the ground, as you will see here in this demonstration, or you can wrap it around a rock or a tree. Really diverse little piece of gear. When the Deadman is used in a basket configuration like it's being used here on the beach, the minimum braking strength is over 66,000 pounds. That's pretty impressive.
How big a hole are we digging, Daniel?
That big, right there. Go about 2 feet.
2 feet?
Go about 2 feet deep.
What's next?
And bury it. Bury it up. Let me fill it in. So what we're actually doing is we're going for depth here. It's not about the weight of the sand, it's about the depth of the tarp beneath the surface. Because what happens is the arms that come over the edge of the lip of the hole create a hook, right? So it's not about the weight, and we're not pulling this way against the sand. We're pulling this, but up and over a ledge, right? The wall, yeah. So the depth is more important. And yes, I generally tape it down just for good measure.
Now here Daniel is grabbing a couple of the Deadman soft shackles, and these things are so light, strong, and safer than working with metal ding rings. These things have a minimum braking strength of 30,000 pounds, and it's something I'm going to actually be adding to my recovery kit soon. After he pulled enough line out to reach the Deadman, he grabbed the 2 lower straps and linked them together with one of the soft shackles, and then hooked up that shackle to his Factor 55 flat link, which was attached to the end of his winch line. Then, pulling the top 2 straps down, he slides a second soft shackle through the secondary loops in the first strap, and then through the main loops in the upper 2 straps that he just pulled down to tie it all together. Now he gives that line one good solid tug and then starts checking everything just 1 second time to make sure everything's good to go. Then it's time to start winching in the truck. There are bulky metal land anchors you can buy, but they weigh up to like 40 pounds and they take up a lot of room in your vehicle. I really think the Deadman, after seeing this demo, in my opinion, is a much better alternative solution. Now the question is, how do you get this out of the ground? And here Daniel is attaching one of the Deadman straps to a recovery point on his truck. And he says the Deadman usually slides right out of the ground when you do this. But as you can see here, he wasn't able to. And I think that really speaks to just how strong this system is. And this was only one strap. How impressive is that? Now, we could have just dug it up, but we attached a winch to it and that just slid it right out, no problems. I have to say I am really impressed with the Deadman system. That is really nice, and I think it's going to be something that I'm going to add to my recovery kit. You know, I've been wanting to go play out in the dunes, and having something like that on board is really going to give me some peace of mind. Now look, that whole adventure took part in Baja during our Baja expedition. If you have not checked out that video, guys, hit the link down below. Go over and watch that. Man, it was such an amazing trip. And look, if you're visiting the channel for the first time, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a member of the TrailRecon team. And a big thanks to our Patreon supporters over at patreon.com. We really appreciate all their support. And if you'd like to support what we're doing here, please go visit there and I will leave a link down below. Thanks for watching.